If your classes don't make you feel confused and frustrated at least once, you're doing it wrong, fam. As you know, Granny Anna is a compulsive diploma collector. I've had me many lectures and certificates and exams, and I do have a pretty solid track record when it comes to my professional career, so I've seen some shit, especially when it comes to the topic of education and its worth in the real world.
You think that's air you're breathing now?
Here's the truth. School is a tool, nothing more, nothing less. In order to truly reap the benefits of your degree, you need to select the right one for you and then learn how to use it to your advantage. Think of it this way. You want to, I don't know, like paint your room. Okay, so you go out and you buy a flashy, bedazzled, collector's edition anime sticker set. See where I'm going with this? Yes, stickers are easier to apply on the wall, and if you've ever had to paint an entire house, including the ceiling, you know it's a hell of a lot funner too. So, error number one, you went with an easier option. And number two, you picked the wrong tool for what you wanted to accomplish in the first place. A paintbrush or roller and a can of paint would have been a lot more practical / useful tools to paint your room, shouldn't you say? I know this might not have been the ideal example. Scripting Anna was fresh out of coffee for this one, so we're gonna cut her some slack, okay? What I'm getting at is that school gives us the structure and the guidance that can greatly help us learn difficult subjects. Now, I am very much aware that there are people out there that are capable of learning aerospace engineering on their own just by watching YouTube videos and reading books. But the majority of us would have a seriously hard time understanding highly specialized and complex topics like that. So in my humble opinion, if you're going to spend thousands of dollars and pile on that student debt, you're better off learning something that the majority of people either don't know or something that can be used in as many areas of your life as possible. Honestly, if I were to go back in time, I would have majored in finance and accounting. Do I absolutely despise those topics? Yes. Am I extremely bad at them? Yes, yes, and double yes. But my God, would they have been useful when I bought my condo, for example. Again, just to clarify, I'm not shaming your art degree here, okay? You do need a lot of technical knowledge and practice to become a skilled graphics designer, for example. I'm just saying, when you select your classes, try to pick topics in your domain or field of interest that you find challenging. If you're a talented painter, you're not going to take painting 101. You already know how to, draw a face. But you can take a course in website design so that you can learn HTML and create a beautiful spot on the internet where you can display your art. You feel me? Oh, and if you're just someone that prioritizes money, hey, it's a thing. Newsflash, the more difficult degrees, because they are difficult and few people want or can take them, usually make the most cha-ching. Here is a list of the college majors with the highest starting salaries according to findings by Monster.com. Number 1, computer science. Number 2, engineering. Number 3, math and sciences. Number 4, social sciences, and finally, business. I'm curious to know, what did you major in? Comment down below if you are using your degree and if you find it useful. I'd honestly really like to keep this conversation going. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, but before ending this video, I'd like to tell you a little bit about today's sponsor, Shein, who has your back for back to school, so you can focus on all of them difficult classes we just talked about. I've been buying from their website long before I even started my YouTube channel, and I have pieces from them that I've worn for years and they're still going strong. I'm honestly really happy to see Shein listening to all of our comments and making a conscious effort to incorporate recycle and more organic materials in their new items, and even starting an eco-friendly collection. Every single time I collaborate with them, I make it a point to emphasize that they keep trying to improve and keep doing better. And definitely, if you ask me, they are starting to go in the right direction. I invite you to click the link down below to take a peek at any or all of the items I've tried on during this clip. I am particularly loving their selection for back to school, like their bags, their comfy sweatshirts, their shoes, and oh, the plaid. Pile on the plaid, I am loving it. Don't forget to use my coupon code Q2anamascara at checkout for a little something something if you decide to purchase any of these items, or any other ones for that matter. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!